Hello guys and welcome to Kotoff Fix channel. Today, we will change the anode in John Deere Marine Generator 99 kilowatts. First of all, I will demonstrate how I usually replace anode in the generator. And thereafter, I will present you a new anode, which I recently discovered, and believe me, it makes job incredibly easy. Let's get started. Here's what I needed to do, in order to check the condition of the anode. There are various types of anodes. However, their principle of operation is the same. They are the first to be corroded, while the ship machinery stays protected. We drilled a through hole and now we need to make a thread. A little oil to make cutting easier. We need to select an O-ring and a bolt. O-ring keeps the tightness. After such manipulations, I installed the anode back. When it came time to check the anode, I did not take it out, but loosed the bolt, and if water began to drip, it meant the anode had fallen into disrepair and it must be replaced. This is how I checked the condition of the anode earlier. Today I use another kind of anode. What is its feature? The anode has a red indication when its life is approaching the end. There is something like a sponge soaked in a red substance. I will just need to take a look here. And instead of a white circle there will be a red one. Let's change it. The anode has 2 O-rings. But I still prefer to use some Teflon tape. A new anode we will install instead of this one. There will be some water, it's okay. This is how it looks from below. I have one more anode there, but I will change it later. I use this mirror to check. This is the anode we removed. It was installed a month ago. Only 10% is used. I didn't see its condition until I took it off. However, now we will see it. A month has passed and I'm going to check the condition of the anode and its indication. Still fine. It was Kotoff Fix channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.